Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I'm going to be unboxing September's Asos beauty box. If you're interested in this box for yourself, then as always you'll find all information and links down below in my description, so you're welcome to take a look there. If you notice a decrease in quality, I'm filming with my mobile. Normally I film with a big camera, but this box and another beauty box arrived a little while ago, really late on a Saturday night. And I'm busy tomorrow, so I thought, now get my iPhone out and do a little video just in case this box and the Look Fantastic box I received sells out. Asos beauty boxes is not a subscription box. You can go onto their website, take a look, see exactly what's inside it. If you want it, you can have it. If not, then you don't have to. So no signing up or anything like that. They bring them out monthly, and for the last month or two, they've been bringing them out around the 1st of the month. It's not always the 1st, but generally the 1st. If you're worried about missing out on these boxes, if you're not sure when they are released or anything, then I do have a link tree. You'll find it down below in my description. So if you click on that link, sign up for notifications, it means that whenever I post up any offers, discounts or alerts like these boxes, then you'll be one of the first to know about it. Plus I also post on my Instagram and my Facebook page, which is both Diaryofabeautygeek as well. The cost of this month's box is £15. Sometimes they're 12, sometimes they're 18, depends, but usually around the £12 mark. But yeah, this month is 15. So let's open it up and show you what's inside. We always get a little card and it details everything about the products, so I'll refer to this as we go along. And I'll just give you a sneak peek. There's hairs everywhere. I've got 2 golden retrievers and one of them is a puppy, and you might be able to, there you go. If you can hear panting, it's this one. She is very clingy. She just wants to be with me all the time. It says VIPs only. Someone roll out the red carpet because this month's Asos Face and Body Box is filled with VIPs. Read very important products. Your skin is about to be treated to a seriously luxurious experience. Let's start by looking at the stars of your new leveled up routine. The Caudalie Vinopure Purifying Cleanser fights blemishes without leaving your skin feeling tight and dry post-wash. Okay, there is 30 mils there. Molly, what are you doing? Look at her. What are you doing? I've tried this before and it's really nice. Really nice cleanser. Can I tell you anything about it? On the back, no. It's in French. It's a purifying gel cleanser. My gosh. A pain. All right then. Next is the Alpha H. It's the beauty brand to know with its liquid gold that is basically an exfoliator, serum and moisturizer in one. That is really loud panting in my ear. Molly. I don't know what she's bonkers. Soft, super glowy skin incoming. This is really nice. I've tried it a few times over the last couple of years and it's a really beautiful product. And there's 30 mils there. Revitalizes and assists in firming the skin in a single application through a multi-action formula of silk protein and licorice. The award-winning overnight facial targets tired aging skin to renew tired and sun-damaged complexions while improving skin texture and tone. Clinically proven to decrease wrinkle depth, reduce roughness and increase moisture within the skin. And this is the main reasons why I went for this box, because it's such a great product. Are you really interested, Miles? Are you really interested, baby girl? Another product that got me excited, Sunday Riley Ice Moisturising Cream. This is a Ceramide moisturising cream that feels like heaven on your face. You'll try it for the perfect mix of oils. Just going and stay for the hydrated, healthy AF skin you'll see just after a few uses. This is a really, really gorgeous cream. I've had this size before. Is it 5 mils? 8 grams. Doesn't last long, not at all. But it gives you a chance to try it to see if you like it or not. Yeah, I do really like it. But it's been a while since I tried it. So yeah, Ceramide 3, 6 and 9 vitamin F. So a handy little size there. Take away on holiday or something maybe. There's that. Then we got a Gua Sha. We're seeing these all over the place at the moment, aren't we? I've got flipping loads of them now. I've only got one face. They're great for depuffing. They're just really great to use with serums and moisturisers. It's great for lymphatic drainage, depuffing and everything. I prefer a roller, a facial roller actually, to one of these. But this is by Psychic Sister. But yeah, I just find a rose quartz roller easier to use, but obviously it's a different type of tool. I just need to look into it more. But generally that's all I do, is what I've just been doing now in this video. Trying to carve out a jaw and get rid of this double chin. Okay, well, what does it say about it? We love using ours as a post-mask treat because the serum is still on your face and this will help absorb the goodness even better. The facial massage also feels blissful on tense, tired muscles. It's truly a game changer. So I really should have shown this first. So they're saying to use this after this while you've got all the serum from this mask on your face. Now the dogs are deciding to play together. Oh my gosh, nightmare. Tiger Grass Calming Serum Mask, and this is by Dr. Jart. It's a single-use mask. It soothes, moisturises, sensitised skin. Molly! So there's that. Oh my god. So there you go. I am wrapping up this video quickly because no doubt my dogs are doing your head in as well as doing mine. I'm really, really sorry. But I just wanted to do a quick video just to let you know what is inside the September Asos beauty box. We've got a mask by Dr. Jart. We've got a Psychic Sisters Gua Sha. We've got a little sample of Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Moisturiser. We've got a 30ml Liquid Gold by Alpha H. And we've got a 30ml Caudalie Purifying Gel Cleanser. £15, I really like it. I'm going to be passing this on, but I'm definitely going to use the rest of them. So yeah, I think it's quite good this month. I do. Although I've got tons of masks as well. But anyway, it's the Alpha H that I wanted. And the Sunday Riley more than anything. I'd love to hear what you think, so please comment down below. Even if you don't like it, I just love to hear all your opinions. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.